Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So this is our reading mini lesson for the day, and today happens to be the very first day of our historical fiction read aloud. And we've been doing a lot of work in nonfiction to get ready for this. And what I mean by that is we've been studying the time period of like the mid 1800s. We talked about, or we read about, the westward expansion and women's suffrage, and all of those things that happened in our history happened during the story that we're going to read together, which is called Riding Freedom. And in the story, the author does a really great job of incorporating facts that we've learned about and also creating some very interesting storylines that make the book fun to read. So one of the things that we're going to be thinking about today is, as readers of historical fiction, what are the things that we need to be doing? Well, first of all, we really need to be paying attention to the mood of the story and the setting, and remembering that the setting is not just where the story takes place. It's what's happening around the characters, what issues are happening, maybe how the characters are feeling, or what are some big problems that are happening. That could be part of the setting as well. Also, we're going to be paying attention to facts that the author throws in to help us understand what time period we're actually dealing with. And usually that happens pretty early in the story. So today, when this lesson is over, we are going to be listening to the prologue of Riding Freedom. And a prologue is sort of like the introduction to a story. Never skip the prologue, especially not for Riding Freedom, because it is chock full of information. So after you listen to the prologue of Riding Freedom, you're really going to think to yourself, what were the most important things that happened in that chapter, we'll call it, because it's not really a chapter. And then afterwards, you're going to use the link that your teacher sent you to respond to one of the questions for today, which is, what are the most important things that happened in this section? So I hope you enjoy the story as much as we do, and we'll talk soon.